To get that glow, you gotta let it show. Get this glowing. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is I almost said Get This Glowing. It's Unfiltered 50s, but it used to be Get This Glowing. And in today's video, I am so excited. Merry Christmas Eve. I'm so excited to be doing this video with some friends of mine. I am teaming up again with my little collab group. That would be Ayyyeee, itsAmanda, my YouTube daughter, and Makeup with Jessica Vargus and her bestie Bobbie Loves Beauty, and then Stacey over at Flawed and Fabulous, and Tina's Health and Beauty World. So just check out the description box for the full list of who's going to be joining in. It is a crazy time of the year, and so yeah, I will leave all of their channel links down. Whether or not they do this video, do go and check their channels out and see their content. They're a great group of gals, and we have a lot of fun here together on the YouTube platform, and so do go check them out. And in the holiday spirit, subscribe to their channels, watch some of their videos during the time that you have over the holidays. If you're not doing anything and want to chill on the YT, and watch some of their videos and give them a like, a comment, and subscribe. So anyway, in today's video, what are we doing? Well, we are getting together because you know us ladies love us some subscription boxes. So we are going to talk about some of our favorite products that we've gotten in subscription boxes over the year of 2020. If you want to see that, if you think that's exciting, then just sit on back and relax. We're getting into that video right now. I have got some really good products laid out. These are not, wow. This has been a year full of some really good subscription box products. So let me just tell you some of the subscription boxes that I have pulled from. Of course, BoxyCharm and Ipsy, but not only that, Ayyyeee Beauty Bundle was kicking it this year. Not only that, but Trend Mood. So I have finally this year figured out how to get my hands on. It took me a while to figure out how to get my little grubby fingers on the Trend Mood box, but I finally figured it out, and I have been successful the last few boxes. But wow, I've only gotten the last two, and both of those have been good. I've got to do my unboxing on the very last one that I got these little digits on, but it has been a wonderful one, and the last two that I've gotten have, woo, been so good. So yes, but I do have some products here from subscription boxes. Some of them have been just the regular subscription boxes, and a couple of products that I've got here may be from the Ipsy special boxes or add-ons, that type of things. But those I'm including because when you get those type of deals from Ipsy, they are so dramatically discounted that I just could not leave them out. I had to speak about them. So let's get into it. Let's see what I'm liking. So on my eyes today, I have got something that we were able to get in BoxyCharm. This is one of the best Pure palettes that I have ever had. It is the Pure times Bobbie collab palette. Guys, the packaging on this is so beautiful. It's just to die for. But what's even better is whenever you open it up. The palette itself is absolutely gorgeous. It's so glamorous. I find that the shimmers work so well, even all the way up and into the crease, and they work well together, mixing them. So I used this kind of plum color and the blue all together on my lid and up into my crease, just blended together. And it just turns out really, really pretty. And they're so creamy, the mattes in this palette. So I love this shade right here, just for my all over transition shade. And I love to deepen up the crease with this one. It's so wonderful. It smells good. And it just blends out like a dream. So this is a very, very good palette if you haven't thought about it. or if you have thought about it and maybe you want to pick it up now, Mercari's your place to get it. Love Mercari. So this was very, very beautiful palette. Here is the box and what it looks like without the palette in it. It's just an overall cute packaging. Love this palette. What I have on my lips today was also available in BoxyCharm, and this is my second round of this. I've already blown through one of them, and this is the Ayyyeee Cosmetics. This is one of their nude liquid lipsticks, and this one is in the shade, and I'm not even sure how to say this. I know I'm not saying it right, but this one is in Coquetta, maybe, if that's how you say it. But this is in their Las de Nude formula, if I'm saying that right. Just butchering it. Sorry guys, sorry. But it is so pretty, and it's what I have on my lips today. It's just a beautiful nudie liquid lipstick, and it's so awesome. But there's the shade right there. So wonderful. Like I said, I got one in my Boxy, and then this was in pop-up, and boy, I snagged that up so fast. Oh, it's so good. And it's right here on my table. Lives right there because I use it so often. I just keep it out. The next thing is also something by Ayyyeee, and this is the Spanglish palette. Oh my goodness, I wanted this so bad, and I was so lucky to get it. And it is just absolutely beautiful. I love the color story. It's so pretty, and the shadows blend out so good. This is a really, really good palette by Ayyyeee, and I love it. And I think it's one of the best things that we got all year long in the way of palettes. So, just loving this one by Ayyyeee. Another palette that I got was in the Ayyyeee Beauty Bundle box. So this is the Give Them Blah Blah Beauty brand, and it was stunning to me. Whenever you first look at the palette, you just kind of think, oh, you know, what a boring palette. It's got the really big pans like Juvia's Place does, but let me tell you, this palette is an all-over face palette. If you really take a look, you really don't need anything else. You can go on vacation, just pack this, you're done. Because it's blushes, and this is just an absolutely gorgeous shade for blush. This is a beautiful shade for blush. This is a beautiful shade for blush. You can do so much with this palette. It kind of reminds me of like one of the Charlotte Tilbury all over face palettes. So good. And then you can actually just take a little bit of this and mix it with a little bit of this and make a bronzer. It works so well, but also it's beautiful on the eyes. And this makes a really good powder as well. So I am just really thrilled to have this in my collection. I'm loving it. My friend actually gifted this to me. Thank you, Lisa. And, you know, I just have fell in love with this. So, I can't say enough about this. It also comes with some beautiful lippies, and I loved the lippies. I loved everything in the box. It was a great Ayyyeee beauty bundle. There was several beauty bundles from Ayyyeee that was just, I mean, killing it. And I loved this. So I am really happy with the things that I've gotten from Ayyyeee. So I got this in my box from BoxyCharm, and I had never experienced the brand Beauty Creations. This was the first time I'd ever experienced Beauty Creations. Guys, I was floored. This is wonderful. I went back on to try and get the Esmeralda one, and it was sold out. But this is a great, great palette, and I'm so thrilled that it was in my box, because that is what subscription boxes do for me, is it exposes me to makeup brands that I may not have tried otherwise. And this is definitely one of those brands. It was really inexpensive in pop-up, and because I had never tried it, I probably would have passed over it. But let me tell you, This is a great palette. Oh, it blended out so good and it's beautiful. Look at this color story. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. I was able to dupe the Natasha Denona Peak palette look in case you were one of those people that maybe didn't get the Peak palette. You could really dupe that look with this little palette, plus a lot more. I mean, look at how many colors is in here. This is such a great little palette. I just thought it was one of the best things I've gotten all year. And it exposed me to a new brand, so I know whenever I see the Beauty Creations brand, hop on it. One of the best things all year long. I could not believe this. Absolutely could not believe it. Luna Sleeping Night Oil. Guys, I have used this product, I think, for about 4 years. For every day of my life, I use this at night. This is so wonderful. And they had this, I want to think this was like an $18 add-on. This is $105 at Sephora. And they had this from Ipsy in the add-ons. I think I purchased 3 of these from Ipsy and was so thrilled that I was able to get my hands on this. Absolutely wonderful. Love it, love it, love it. There is a dupe for this from The Ordinary, but if I can get the Luna, there's something about the blue tansy, the smell of blue tansy. If I can get this for $18, you bet I'm going to use the Sunday Riley Luna. The other thing that was in BoxyCharm that I couldn't believe that I use and love is the A+ high dose retinoid serum from Sunday Riley. Couldn't believe that. So yes, I was loving that. Just absolutely wonderful serums from Sunday Riley. I love this one. I love it as much as I love, well, I love it almost as much as I love the Luna. There's something about the smell of the Luna that really I just love. So really just pulls me in, the Luna. But I do love the results with this one. Another thing that was in Boxy that I was so shocked by was the Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch Primer. You don't need much, but it works so good to fill in your pores and just smooth out your wrinkles and your lines. It just has almost like a souffle type of texture to it. Feels really good on the skin. I really love this one. So I was really happy whenever I got this. So wonderful, wonderful product. And I probably would have never tried this had it not been for BoxyCharm introducing me to that. I really haven't tried that many Clarins products, but now I'm really open-minded to that brand. So thankful for that. The Allure Beauty Box, the Best of Beauty Award Winners box, we got the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminator. This is so nice. I love this underneath my foundation as a glowy, dewy backlighting property for my foundation, and it works so nice. So I love this product, and this was a very expensive product, and this one is in Prism Rose, and I love the pink type of shades that you get that are glowy and dewy looking. So this was just right up my alley, and I love this one. My last product that I'm going to talk about is one that I got in a special purchase box from Ipsy, and it is the Ice Cream, the Ceramide Moisturizing Cream from Sunday Riley. You can tell I really love my Sunday Riley products, but I was able to get my hands on this in a special bundle box for $29, I believe, and it came with a full-size ceramide cream. And guys, I love this moisturizer. It's just a really thick, it smells heavenly. It smells like a banana Laffy Taffy, but it looks like this. It's kind of yellow looking, and yeah, that's exactly what it smells like, a banana Laffy Taffy, and it smells so good. I love the smell of Sunday Riley's face creams. One of them smells like a dreamsicle. That's the CEO cream, and this one's a banana Laffy Taffy, and oh, it is so good. It's just beautifully packaged with this little scooper down in it for whenever you pull some out, you don't have to, you know, dip into the actual container, so it keeps everything sterilized. Oh, so wonderful. So I'm just loving that. So those are my picks for best products in subscription boxes. So what have you gotten in your subscription boxes that you're loving? Leave it down in the comments below. I would so love to hear about those, because that lets me know what to go over on Mercari and hunt for. I love Mercari, and I love hunting for people's BoxyCharm finds that they no longer want. So let me know down in the comments. If you haven't had time to subscribe to my channel, I would so love it if you'd take time to do it right now. Or if you're from one of the other ladies' channels, hi, my name is Jeannie, and we do a lot of fun stuff over here. And I would so love it if you take time to subscribe to my channel and join us over here on this channel as well. I hope everyone's having a great holiday weekend wherever you are, at whatever time of day that you're watching this. And don't forget, everybody, stay safe. Much love to you. And this is also our last, very last Gusmas giveaway. And Jess and I have had so much fun doing the 12 days of Unfiltered Gusmas. We appreciate every one of you this year for supporting our channels, being there for us, and for entering to win our little goodie boxes. Guys, it has been really crazy. I will be doing my last ship out for the last few winners on the day after Christmas. So don't worry if you haven't gotten your box from me. It's on its way. We have been really, really busy at work, and so I appreciate your patience. But Jess and I so appreciate you. We're looking forward to a great 2021 season. Be looking for some new and exciting things on both of our channels, and some new and exciting collaborations together. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Smooches, everybody. Merry Christmas.